Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Soph and it has been a really long time. Once again, I think the last time I filmed was June or July, the little van trip, which was really fun. Since then, I have not filmed anything and I'm finally gonna get back into it now, and I say that every time, but I'm actually excited for this video. I thought it'd be fun to do a little like room inspo type video. I've done a lot to my room since we moved to this house. I decided to really go all out with my room just because my room at my last house was kind of just like, I made it when I was younger, so it was very like, I don't know, kind of childish. So this time I really just went all out and made it my own. So I'm excited for you guys to see it. I'm hoping that this gives some inspiration and whatnot. If you're redoing your room, let's get right into it. My brother's gonna help me record. It'll be fun.
Tell her pull up to the villa. My shit ain't really, she realize I'm on a mic, it's a thriller. Walk on the cook on me, Kimba. I might kill that shit, yeah. I might read that shit, yeah. I wear but that shit, yeah. Now I is my head.
So when you first walk into my room, see that was the door. We've walked in right here. The first thing that you will see is this mirror. I got this from Amazon and I'm really proud of it because it's just like a nice, what's it called? Full body mirror.
Yeah.
It's super nice because before I've had one on just like the back of my door that kind of just, I don't know, it wasn't enough, if that makes sense. Like you kind of had to be really far away to see your whole body. I had the option to either keep it on the floor or put it on the wall, and I ended up just keeping it on the floor because, I don't know, I think it looks good like that. So now we're in my little corner of my room. I really like this corner personally. I'm really proud of this because I think it's very aesthetically pleasing, you know? So the first part here is this little, I forget what it's called, like an accordion type hook. I basically hang just all my purses up here. I kind of just liked having an all black vibe going on, and then on this last hook I have all my necklaces and stuff, so it's very functional. So this is my dresser. Oh, by the way, I got that from Amazon. This dresser is from Target. I really like it because it looks very good with the color scheme of my room. All the stuff on top is kind of stuff I've had. My friend Catherine painted me this Life Begins After Coffee sign. Just really describes me, to be honest. And then Austin got me this rose. So yeah, I've just had all this stuff. And then this mirror is from Amazon. This candle is from my friend Megan. So shout out to Megan. She asked me to be her bridesmaid. No big deal. And then this pineapple thing is from Amazon. Austin got it for me. It's a diffuser and it's very, very cute. And then I think the last thing over here is this little rug situation. Don't show my feet. I put it here. I don't really know how I feel. I think it's cute. I got it from Amazon. I'll link it for you guys if you want, but I just think it's another cute little accent since it's all hardwood up in my room. So yeah, I think that's it over here. Here is my bed. So first of all, this like bed frame, I've had this forever. It's antique. So there's that. I was really excited about this comforter. I got this from Amazon once again. Literally my whole room is from Amazon. But I just thought this was so elegant looking. I don't know. I'm really proud of it. It's very comfy. I also have, if you go like under here, this is also a weighted blanket, which just makes me sleep better. Puts a weight on you, obviously, and you just feel so safe and like cozy. So I got that from Amazon as well. This mattress is quality. I'll link that down below because I had to get a brand new one. So, and I'm totally blanking on the name. I think it's a Puffy Mattress. I pray I'm not wrong because that's embarrassing. This is a cute little throw blanket I got. It matches my rug. I got this on Amazon. It comes in a billion different colors. So if you guys are looking for a throw blanket, really recommend that. Over here is like my little pillow assortment. There's a lot going on. This came with the comforter, so like they're twins or whatever, they're related. And then this is just, I got this little square pillow and little like fuzzy pillowcase from Amazon as well. Just thought it'd be a nice accent to like the brown accent wall, so that's why I got it. And then this little pillow, I think did this come with my comfort? I think it came with my comforter too. It's like very similar. I got this silk pillow from Amazon. It's, well, the silk pillowcase. It's supposed to like be better for your skin and hair, so I tried it out. I personally really like it, and it's always very cold when I'm sleeping, which I really like. And then I also got this brown pillowcase from Amazon. Amazon really just not sponsored, but Amazon helped me create my whole bedroom pretty much. Not sponsored. That'd be great. Okay, anyway, this is my little curtain situation going on. Austin got me this as well. Shout out to Austin. I really like them. This gold curtain rod is nice as well. It's a double curtain rod, if that makes sense. So the curtain is on the first one, and then behind it I have these nice little twinkling lights, which I actually also have on the back of my bed. So here I'll put a clip of what it looks like at night. It's just a very cozy vibe. So I thought that was a really great add to my room. I really like it. Curtains, yeah, all this is from Amazon. Now, this is the last little section of my room. So I'll start out with the rug. The rug is from Amazon. Oh shoot. This is a really nice rug though. My dog is obsessed with it. He always sleeps on it. It's super cute. And like I said, it matches my blanket super well. So I thought that was a good add to my room. This is my desk. My desk and desk chair are from Wayfair. I like how the brown chair matches the accent wall, which is why I got it. This pillow doesn't match anything, but my friend Catherine got it for me, and it helps my back when I'm working, so it's really nice. This desk from Wayfair is nice. I needed something really small because my room isn't that big. And previously, I don't know if you guys remember, but I was working in my sister's room when I first moved here because I literally didn't have a desk. So this is what I bought, and my dad actually helped me paint these little things, the legs, gold. I think originally they were gray and that didn't match. So he helped me paint them gold, and I think it looks really good.
I helped too.
And Vinny helped too. Shout out to Vinny. This was like the most recent add to my room. This wall was so blank and boring, you know? So these shelves are from Target, and these plants are also from Target, and then I just added the picture and my favorite perfume. So I just kind of put that there because I'm obsessed with the bottle. But yeah, this is where I work every day. I'm really not a fan of all the cords showing and stuff. Kind of embarrassing, to be honest, but we'll have to fix that one day. And then the last thing I forgot to say was the paint in my room. I don't really know the color, or the name of the color. That's like a pink tone almost, which is kind of interesting. And then I decided to go with like this brown accent wall because I have this window here, and I think it just really, I don't know, warms up the room instead of having everything all white. And then it also gave me the chance to play off the colors of the accent wall with the browns that you see all throughout my room, and then the golds. I feel like my overall color scheme was white, gold, and brown, which I ended up really liking. So that pretty much sums up my room tour. My room is really small, so it didn't take too long, but hopefully it gave you guys some inspo for your room if you're redecorating. I will say too, I'm kind of debating putting little baskets here. I think that'd be a cute add. I also kind of want to put picture frames on this wall. Other than that, I think it's really come together nice. And hopefully this video gives you some inspiration for your rooms if you are currently redecorating. So please like and subscribe to this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one.